Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. And now for some really good news. Over the past 6 years, the number of vegetarians and vegans in America has grown from 3.2 million to 16 million peeps. Hooray! Hashtag compassion for the animal kingdom. Documentaries like Cowspiracy and Forks Over Knives have made a dent. People are learning that commercial farming and animal mistreatment are brutal and unhealthy. And there's been a surge in growth in the animal rights groups' membership and people who hashtag love animals and refuse to eat them. In 2009, there were approximately 1 million vegans in America. 79%, according to Huffington Post, were women. Today, more and more men are joining the ranks of plant-based eaters in America. So, what's the difference between a vegetarian and a vegan? Well, a vegan is a person who does not eat or use any animal products. No leather shoes, belts, purses, etc. A couple of days ago, I did a neat story on a company called Penyatex. They make faux leather from pineapple leaf fibers. So as the number of vegans grows, so too do a range of affordable animal-free products. By the way, plant-based diets are very healthy. Nuts, seeds, veggies, fruits, and they're way easier on our bodies. And the water footprint is also far less than animal-based diets. For instance, beef has the largest water footprint of them all. 2,000 gallons of water for 1 pound of beef. That's 10 times more water per food calorie than vegetables or cereals. Did you know that a third of the planet's land area is devoted to feeding animals that humans eat? There just isn't more land available to grow more food to feed more animals, plants, and we're adding 100 million people a year to Earth. We need the plants to directly feed the people. Here's more food for thought. The most precious, so far undervalued commodity on our globe is fresh water, not subsidized, climate-altering fossil fuels. As all plant-based eaters know, we need healthy bees. Almost 40% of all foods on all dinner plates each night are bee-pollinated plants. For plant-based eaters, it's more likely 3/4 of our food are courtesy of the bees. So not only are we required to become water smart, but also bee friendly. A class of systemic pesticides called neonicotinoids, and there's over 1,000 kinds of them on the marketplace worldwide, are deadly for bees, soils, and fresh water. And we're pounding 2 billion pounds of neonicotinoids into the biosphere each year. Hello! Over 500 billion bees have died since 2006. And neonicotinoids have been fingered again and again as the main culprit. Those of you who know me have watched or heard over the past decade in America, Europe, Australia, and Canada stand up for the bees and contend with those who would rather kill our planet, stuff their pockets with dinero, than protect our planet and our bees, soils, and fresh water. 2 months ago, the EPA, yes, the EPA, finally weighed into this debacle and confirmed that neonicotinoid pesticides kill honeybees. Sadly, we're not out of the woods yet, but we're moving in the right direction. Finally, We need the bees. We don't need neonicotinoids. Nature's arsenal has an incredible antidote, the Indian neem tree, and it is potent against at least 200 different insect species, including locusts in America. Turplex, Bioneem, Align, Azotin EC, and others are already on the market. Please, ladies and gentlemen, don't use pesticides in your yards because many of them today are neonicotinoid based. Hashtag love nature. Hashtag love is the solution. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners. So come on to drreese.com, D-R-Reese, R-E-E-S-E.com, and make it happen by clicking on the donate button or pick yourself up any number of cool books on bees, trees, seas, and wild weather. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.